Hey, what's up YouTube? This video gonna show you how to install our exhaust on a 2007 K7. Okay, see, all I did, I just removed those bolts 1, 2, 3, 4, unclip this bushing right here, the 2 bushing, and I guess that's it. I'm just gonna let it hang like that because all I need to do is get into here. And this is what we're gonna install. I got this from eBay, cheap stuff. I think it's just a pipe. Okay, kind of cheap. Look at this defect, but it's okay. It's exhaust, you know. So I guess I'm gonna put it like this. I guess that's how it goes. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see if it fit.